Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Aspire Knowledge. Hi, I am Japneet and I'm conducting this session. And today we are going to do adverbs of affirmation and negation. It is a type of adverb. Let's start with our topic. Firstly, we are going to do adverbs of affirmation. So what do you mean by adverbs of affirmation, or what are adverbs of affirmation? Firstly, that is true, something which is true. That why I have put tick, that means something is true. Affirmation जो सही है, सच है, उसे affirmation कहते हैं. So adverbs of affirmation add more information and describe the verb in more detail. और उसके बारे में इंफॉर्मेशन ऐड करके जो भी डिटेल्स हैं वो बताता है. These words show that the speaker is absolutely sure something will go the way they say it will. So अफर्मेशन का मतलब है कि हम श्योर हैं, बिल्कुल सही हैं, सच बोल रहे हैं कि हाँ ये चीज होगी. इफ आई एम सेइंग दैट टुडे इट विल रेन, सो आई एम वेरी मच श्योर दैट इट विल रेन. So that is affirmation. For example, yes, by all means, certainly, surely, verily, definitely, indeed, obviously, truly, undoubtedly, clearly, exactly, really, etc. So these words can be used at the adverbs of affirmation, like yes, today it will rain. हाँ होगी आज rain. So I am sure about it. Surely he will come to school. हाँ जरूर वो school आएगा. So I am sure about it. ठीक है. Definitely I will help you. I am sure that I am going to help you. So this is how you can use all these words as adverbs of affirmation. Now let's see some examples of adverbs of affirmation. We are obviously going to make a lot of money with this investment. So in adverb of affirmation. They are definitely going to win. I am certain of it. So I placed $1,000 bet. So वो जरूर जीतेगा. Definitely is adverb of affirmation and I am certain of it. मैं श्योर हूँ इसका, इसलिए मैंने $1,000 की बेट लगाई है, उस पर शर्त लगाई है. So this shows that he is sure that he is going to win, and that's why he put the bet of $1,000. We certainly don't steal from our customers. It must have been a computer error. Certainly, surely, हम कभी भी अपने कस्टमर से चोरी नहीं करते हैं, ये कोई कंप्यूटर एरर है. So certainly shows that surety that we don't steal. Given the circumstance, I surely won't allow you to go out. जैसी circumstances हैं उसमें तो ज़रूर मैं तुम्हें बाहर नहीं जाने देने वाला हूँ. So surely, definitely, मैं नहीं जाने देने वाला हूँ. ये तो true है कि तुम नहीं जा रहे हो घर से बाहर. That is adverbs of affirmation. It is truly a staggering innovation that will change the world. क्या है? ट्रूली ऐसी बहुत बढ़िया इनोवेशन है जिसकी वजह से ये वर्ल्ड में बहुत अच्छे चेंजेस आएंगे. सो ट्रूली, सच में, सही में श्योर है वो इस चीज के लिए कि बहुत बढ़िया इनोवेशन हुई है. Now we are moving on to adverbs of negation, and we are going to study what do we mean by adverbs of negation, or what does negation mean. So negation is no, cross, nothing. which we are not sure of, which we don't want to do. A no statement, not statement, negative statement shows adverbs of negation. Let's see. Adverbs of negation are completely opposite from affirmation. affirmation जो सही है, बिल्कुल आप किसी चीज के लिए श्योर हो, और negation about which you are not sure, the negative statement, false statement. They show that the speaker doesn't believe there is any chance things will go the way they say. मतलब स्पीकर जो भी आप सेंटेंस बोल रहे हो, कोई भी, उसको ये श्योरिटी नहीं है कि वो जो बात बोल रहा है वो सच में कर भी पाएगा या नहीं. आई विल बी एबल टू सक्सीड और नॉट, मैं सक्सीड कर भी पाऊंगी या नहीं. तो आई एम नॉट श्योर अबाउट माई स्टेटमेंट, आई एम नॉट श्योर अबाउट माई सेल्फ. दैट्स वाई आई एम यूजिंग एडवर्ब ऑफ नेगेशन, कि ये चीज पता नहीं हो भी पाएगी कि नहीं, ये सही है कि नहीं, ये फॉल्स है. It means that the action is certain to fail or go directly opposite to what the speaker expects. तो यानी कि या तो आप उस काम में फेल होने वाले हैं, या जो आपने बोला उससे बिल्कुल ऑपोजिट होने वाला है, और आप जो एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हैं उससे बिल्कुल डिफरेंट होने वाला है. इफ यू आर एक्सपेक्टिंग समथिंग पॉजिटिव, गुड, and you are not sure of it, then it means you are going to fail in that. For example, any, no, never, not, etc. So these kinds of words we use in the adverbs of negation. These are the adverbs of negation, and how we are going to use it, let's see some examples of it. Here are some examples in which I am going to show the use of adverbs of negation. There's no chance they are going to win tonight, especially not since they lost their start player. There's no chance. No, कोई चांस ही नहीं है कि वो जीत जाएं. Especially not, जब उन्होंने बोल दिया नॉट, दैट मीन्स जबकि उन्होंने अपना जो स्टार्ट अच्छा प्लेयर था वो खो दिया, वो चला गया है, सो वो जीत ही नहीं सकते हैं, कोई चांसेस ही नहीं है. सो नो एंड नॉट हियर आर एडवर्ब्स ऑफ नेगेशन. शी हैज नेवर बीन to Las Vegas, so I am certain she hasn't gotten married behind his back. So इधर आप दो एडवर्ब्स देख रहे हो which are never and certain. Why both are adverbs and they both are opposite. वो क्या बोल रहा है कि वो कभी लास वेगस गई ही नहीं है, never, so it is adverb of negation. And whereas he is also saying I am certain she hasn't gotten married behind his back. वो श्योर है कि उसने शादी नहीं करी है उसके पीछे से. So he is certain. So this is adverb of affirmation. So this sentence is showing both of the adverbs here. I don't see any way this project could be profitable. So I don't, do not, I don't. So do not shows here the adverbs of negation. Thank you everyone for watching this video. I hope I have cleared the concept of adverbs of affirmation and negation here. If you want to see the video for concepts and more about adverbs, I will be posting soon more types of adverbs. Please do watch and do like, share and subscribe my channel for more updates and more grammar lessons and other topics. Bye bye, take care, stay safe, stay healthy and stay home.